Presenting Singapore #1 PSLE Science Problem Solver.
Let's dive into this question.
Kasim measured the amount of oxygen produced by two plants, A and B, in an enclosed place to compare how light intensity affects the rate of photosynthesis. Besides light intensity, name two other factors that can affect the rate of photosynthesis in plants. Based on the graph, suggest which plant, A or B, is more suitable to grow in an area with little light available. Explain your answer. C. What happened to the rate of photosynthesis for both plants when light intensity was between 150 to 200 units? Explain your answer. D. When the day gets too hot, the stomata close up. Why did the rate of photosynthesis decrease slightly when light intensity was between 100 and 150 units? Ready to unlock the secret to solving this question? Keep watching. This is just a taste of what we do at 1-2 Tuition Learning Space. We have a whole library of similar videos tackling tough Singapore questions with Singapore's #1 PSLE problem solvers. Watch our other videos and subscribe to join our community of successful students. Ready to uncover the science? Let us first identify the changed and measured variable. Amount of light intensity. Rate of photosynthesis. The amount of carbon dioxide and amount of water taken in. Plant A. When the light intensity was low, the amount of oxygen produced by plant A is higher, showing that it can carry out higher rate of photosynthesis. Hence, it will produce more food and more suitable to grow in an area with little light available. The rate of photosynthesis remained the same. Both plants have trapped maximum amount of light and reached their highest for the rate of photosynthesis. When the day gets too hot, the stomata close up to prevent excessive water loss, so less carbon dioxide is taken in and the rate of photosynthesis decreases. Curious about the scientific truth? Find it in the caption. Ready for more? Watch our other videos to continue your learning. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thank you for joining our scientific journey. We'd love to hear your thoughts. You're Singapore's #1 PSLE Science Problem Solver.